back with another what? Another unboxing. So just let you know what's happening with these. These come directly from Nike Sneakers app. Crazy thing about these is they came in so fast. So recognize this box right here. So you might know what these are. So the crazy thing, so I woke up on Saturday and I overslept, and I got up, checked on the Sneakers app, and luckily they still have my size still available sitting. But to be honest, like most of the bigger size, they did sell out. This was an anticipated pair for me. So the box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Colorway is Summit White, Gem Red. It says my size 10. You see it? So overall, looking at the outside the box, this is a very unique box because, as you know, usually the Jordan 1 boxes usually are black and red or red and black. So this coming at a totally unique color, in my opinion. And to give you some history about these shoes, which you may or may not know, this is the first time that Jordan Brand has done a collaboration with the HBCU, Historic Black College and Universities. So this is you see the inner line of the box. It doesn't have any special stamps or anything. It's standard tissue paper. Very clean in hand. Bam. Well, you should have known this is the Jordan 1 Low Howards. We'll take these bad boys out. And because these are the OGs, they did come with a little bit higher retail price than normal of $140. I'm looking over my shoe to make sure there's no defects or anything like that. Overall, it seems like I got a good pair. And you can see what I'm wearing. These Texans colorways. That's perfect with my jersey right here. You know, we're doing pretty well this year at 5-1, so can't complain about that. So looking at the shoe overall, it does feature that red, white, and blue colorway, which I think is a very nice, clean shoe in my opinion. Starting off with that white midsole across the shoe. Do see that blue at the bottom protruding out, which I do think is a nice touch. They did a little splash of color. So moving around the toe box, we do see that navy blue, which I do love. And that's part of the Houston colorway. And you see it has that little red Nike swoosh right there. It does make the shoe pop. I do think that's a nice touch. We normally only see these on the Dunks, but I'm glad that they brought this to the Air Jordan 1 Low Howard. Moving around to the back, we do see that red. It does make the shoe pop. And again, as we turn around to the back, we do see that OG branding, which does cause for the retail to go up from the regular 110, 120 to 140. So these are the most expensive Jordan 1 lows that you can purchase because of that OG branding. Nike's making us pay more for that. I can say I do own a couple of Jordan 1s, and I can say with these shoes right here, the leather quality on here does seem a little bit better than normal. It does feel like a nice, soft, tumble leather. Because these are my colorway, the Texans team, I'm probably will be looking to go and snatch me up another pair because I know, like I told y'all before, it's hard to find a red, white, and blue colorways. They usually only come out during the Olympics. Ironically, this is the Olympic year, and surprisingly, we did get the first HCBU collaboration with Jordan Brand, so I'm very happy that they chose this school because Howard does feature the same colorways as my Texans, so I'm very happy that this shoe came out. We do see that white toe box moving up, and almost kind of like a sail-ish looking tongue, but looks like the material is kind of like a white, and on the inside it does kind of look like a yellowish, which causes it to give a yellow tint on the white. But I think kind of taking homage to this white outsole midsole right here. So I guess because I have all these lights in here, it does make this shoe appear white. But this is actually a outsole midsole, so I do stand corrected, sneakerheads. And we see that Nike Air branding right there in red, which I do think makes the shoe pop again. This is overall nice collaboration. I do like that pebble textured swoosh on the side. I do think that's a nice touch, giving the shoe a little bit more character. And what I like about this shoe is if you can see it, you can see that pebble texture on the back as well. So they kind of like kept that theme going on through the shoe. And around to the front, we do see that pebble texture on the toe box as well. So it's just really, really done right in my opinion. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, we do have that navy blue outsole, which I do think is a nice touch, so you don't have to worry about getting these shoes dirty at the bottom. Overall, this is just a clean shoe in my humble opinion. And one thing that you may know or don't know about these shoes is they do come with an extra set of laces. So right here we see some navy blue laces in this pair of shoes, which I do think is nice of Jordan Brand to give us, being that we are paying this extra high resale price. But if you want just a little bit more pop, you can put in the blue laces, but I think it looks very clean with the light laces. In my opinion, you could possibly do a sale to see how those look as well. And who knows, maybe you can do a red as well. But so you do have a lot of color options in my opinion when it comes to these shoes. But overall, I'm very happy to get these in hand. And I'll be rocking the Texan colorway, so I can see me putting these on foot right away, matching, two of my favorite things, a Jordan low with the Texans gear. So I do see that this is a nice matchup, made in heaven. And I can't wait to rock these on feet. Jordan 1 lows are a comfortable silhouette for me, and I can wear these pretty much all day long. So I'm not going to have an issue wearing these or rocking these all day long. Looking at the insole, I do see that Nike Air on the insole. Nothing really special about that. They just kept it simple, again, with that blue with the red hit on there. Again, I think they did a fabulous job with this shoe, and maybe this being the first collaboration with the HBCUs, maybe Jordan Brand can do some more. But again, overall quality of the shoe is good on it. It does have some thick leather, as you can see from the side. See that thick leather right here on the side? Look how thick that leather is. It's like a double layer right there. To see how thick this is. It's like a white leather on top of the blue leather. And overall, I think they did a good job on the shoe. Again, one of the benefits of the shoe is having that blue sock liner, which you don't have to worry about it being white and getting all dirty. So I do think that's a nice touch as well. I'm really loving this shoe. Let me know down in the comments where you're able to cop you a pair of these Jordan 1 Low Howards. But in my opinion, this is one of the nicest Jordan 1s that have came out this year. Let me know if you have any other favorites of your favorite Jordan 1 Lows that came out. We know they did have the mochas, and they did sit. I do foresee these all selling out eventually. And again, I will be trying to double up on these because this is my team's colorway, and I will be rocking these. And so I would like to put one up, so when these get all scuffed up, I'll have another pair on ice to break out at a later date. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. And again, Nike did a real good job on these. Like, I just ordered these literally on Saturday, and here it is one day after Columbus Day. I already got these delivered to my house on Tuesday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday's a holiday. It seemed like You would think that they'll be off on Monday because it's a holiday. So Jordan Brand got these out to me in like 2 days. So, I applaud Jordan Brand for that. So hopefully you'll like the unboxing of this shoe and give this video a like and share this with. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like sneaker unboxings like this. And we look forward to unboxing another shoe with you, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you bless,
hey, bless others. Peace.